go. Game time tayo. Good luck from both team. Madidepensahan kaya ng defending champion Barangay West Crame ang kanilang titulo ngayong season or maaagawan na sila ng Barangay Balong Bato. Cross-court pass. Santos for 3. Yes. Para sa Lares. For Santos. Number 8 setting on the play. Oh, and a steal. Paras. Cross-court pass. Number 75 to Santos. Santos says he stop and fall. No. Rebound. Outlet pass. Casabar. Derecho. Too strong. Rebound ng Barangay West Crame. Argarin. Back to Argarin. To Santos. Bounce pass. Pass to Argarin. Argarin miss. Rebound by Guerrero. Cross-court pass number 8. Guerrero for 3. Wala. Rebound by number 75. Argarin setting on the play. Pass number 19, back to Argarin, to Santos, wide open shot, in and out, rebound ng Barangay Balong Bato, and a steal. Santos, side step, bounce pass, out of bounds. In favor pa rin sa defending champion Argarin. Back to Argarin. Wide open. No rebound ng Barangay Balong Bato. Ayan na, number 26, and there's a foul.
All jersey number 75, first personal foul.
In the free throw area, number 26. First shot is good, all three. Rebound by Argarin. Number 19, cross-court pass. Santos to Argarin. Pass to Santos, wide open. In and out, rebound. Paras, miss. Rebound ng Barangay Balong Bato. Casabar, derecho. Casabar, out of bounds, same ball. Barangay Balong Bato basketball. Uy, steal. Madulas. Argarin to number 4. Running shot. Para extra pass. Santos and a step in on the line for Santos. Last 7 minutes starting first quarter. Yes, the 3, wala. Rebound by West Crame, Argarin. Cross-court pass. Stop and pop, running shot, no, rebound ng Barangay Balong Bato. Outlet pass, number 8, And out of bounds, same ball. Nasa bar for 3, no! Rebound again, ano balong ba to? Wala pa rin, out of bounds, same ball. Barangay Balong Bato basketball, 14 seconds shot clock. Number 21. Okay, sa corner, Casabar for 3, miss. Rebound by number 4. Libre sa Teres, wala. Rebound na Barangay Balong Bato. Number 21, spin, stop and pop, no, rebound, out of bounds, red ball. Sub. Five minutes and 55 seconds. Gagarin. Number 14 for 3. Wide open. In and out. Rebound ng West Krame. Abraham. Pass to Alex. One extra pass. Number 75. Wala. Rebound. Alex. And one. For Alex Danao. Bonus shot for Alex Danao for a 3-point play. First shot, miss. Oh, sorry. Good. Barangay Balong Bato basketball. Fade away, wala. And a rebound. Makuha ng West Krame. Abraham, cross-court pass. Alex, no. Rebound. Ang Barangay Balong Bato. Number 21, dire-derecho. Binigay sa kita. Casabar against the foul. Foul number 24. A 4 rather. That's Bravo. On the free throw area, number 26. Shot. Second shot, basket. 5-4 ang ating talaan. Abraham kick out. Alex layup is good. Guerrero. Basket count and one for jersey number 26. Or that's Gregorio rather. Magbitang for a 3-point play. Magbitang, wala. Rebound ng West Krame. Abraham. Pass to Alex. Pass to Colata. 4-3. In and out. Rebound. Damiao. But there's a foul.
Foul just number 86.
Mercado coming in.
First personal foul. Second team foul.
Bola rito ng Barangay West Crame. Colata. Looking his first teammate. Pass to Alex. Back to Abraham. Abraham to Colata. Fake. One hand shot. No. Rebound. Makuha ni Gregorio. Gregorio di discarte. Pass number 4. Out of bounds. Last touch. Red ball. Abraham. Pass to Damiao to number 17. Hindi naman. Hindi naman. Okay naman. Basket. Hindi, okay naman. Number 24. Cross short pass. Bounce pass to Casabar. Casabar, no! Rebound ng Barangay West Crame. There's a foul. Number 6.
First personal foul.
That is first personal foul. Third team foul. Abraham, running shot, basket. 9-6 in favor pa rin sa defending champion, Casabar. Back to Casabar. Mercado to Gregorio. Gregorio, step back to nice move para kay Gregorio. Mabasa isang lamang ng defending champion. Colata di diskarte. Colata. Pass to Danao. Alex. Alex nakalusot. Alex binigay from the corner. Paras. Basket yan. Gregorio may tanga ng bola. Crossover, fake, kick out, Casabar from the corner, no good. Rebound by Abraham. Pass to Alex. Danao derecho and gets the foul. Time out, Barangay Balumbato. Official score 11-8 in favor pa rin sa defending champion. Tingnan natin ang huddle ng Barangay Balumbato.
Pass to the ball game.
Alright, back to the ball game. Time remaining 1 minute and 43 seconds remaining. 13-8 ang ating talan. On the free throw area, number 14, Alex Danao. Hello. Second shot for Alex. Alex. Basket is good. pa rin sa defending champion. Uy, Gregorio. Kick out. Wide open shot. It's goal. 14-11. Colata. Damiao, no. Rebound ng Balong Bato. Gregorio. Stop and pop. Pass. Ayan na, baba sa isang lamang ng Barangay West Crame. Colata, pass to Abraham. Cross-court pass to Damiao. Danao to Abraham for 3. Short. Rebound by Gregorio. And a steal. Magbintang and one. For Magbintang. Change favor. Lamang na ang Barangay Balong Bato. Time remaining. Last 39.4 seconds remaining. Bonus shot for Magbitang. Wala. Rebound. May paras. Oh, sorry, that's Franco. Ayun na si Argarin. Back to Franco. To Abraham. Back to Argarin. To Franco. Sorry, that's Abraham. Galing shot. No rebound. Abraham. Basket. Balik ulit ang kalamangan sa defending champion. 16-15. Cross-court pass for 3. Yes, sir, Portugal. Dito na po nagtatapos ang ating first quarter. Official score 18-16 in favor of Barangay Balong Bato. Lamang ng dalawa ang Barangay Balong Bato. Tayo na daw na sa ating second quarter. Ayan, shoutout natin muna ang birthday na si Jere V. Gloria sa si Divina Sikat. Ayan, pinapasabi yan ni Justin Pusing Estrada. Happy birthday sa inyo mga idol. Second quarter. Kick out, Vidal. Oh, there's a foul for Franco. That's number 78. First shot is good for Makay Magbitang. Magbitang, wala. Rebound by Barangay West Crame. Number 26, wala. Argarin. Pass to Abraham. Wide open shot. Boy, for Colata. 21-19. Change favor. Babawi sa 3. Wala. But there's a foul. Oh, barangay. Balong ba to?
Foul, Jose Vecino. First, Jose foul. First foul.
Foul number 0. That is first personal foul. First team foul. Colata, pass to Argarin. Abraham, top of the key, short. Barangay, Balong Bato basketball. Number 0. Hand off to Gregorio. Gregorio. Kick out. Cross court pass to Casabar. Crossover. Running shot and gets the foul.
Foul, Jose Vecino. First, personal foul.
On the free throw area, number 6, Casabar. First shot para kay Casabar. Wala. Time remaining, 8 minutes and 17 seconds para sa ating first half. Second shot for Casabar. Wala. And a rebound for West Grame. Argarin to Abraham. Back to Argarin. Colata, wide open shot, in and out, but there is a foul.
Double foul. Foul, Jose Vecino. Second personal foul.
That is second personal foul for Bagbitang.
Jose Vecino. First personal foul.
Colata for 3, wala. Franco. Colata lang mamadali. Abraham! Oy! That's a runner. Bola rito ng Barangay. Balong ba to? Gregorio setting on the play. Nobla, pass to Gregorio. From elbow, no. Number 12, wala pa rin. And a steal, number 0. Oh, blocked by Garin. Cross-court pass, Colata. And steal by Casabar. Pass to Gregorio. Gregorio, and that's a offensive foul for Gregorio.
Foul, Jose Vecino. First personal foul. Third fouls.
Bola rito ng Barangay West Grame. Argarin, pass to Colata, back to Argarin. Cross-court pass, Santos to Colata. Pass to Argarin for the rebound. Sorry, that's short. Rebound by Gregorio. Pass to Casabar, running shot. No! Ayun na ang West Grame, Argarin. Bounce pass and a steal by Mercado. Mercado derecho and gets the foul.
Foul, Jose Vecino. But now, second personal foul. 14 foul.
Damiao, that is second personal foul. 14 foul on the free throw area, number 12. Mercado. First shot, no good. Second shot for Mercado. Wala. Rebound ng Barangay West Grame. Argarin, di diskarte. Argarin. Top of the key for 3. Short. Out of bounds. Barangay Balong Bato Basketball. Gregorio run ng shot. Oh. Rebound. There's a foul and one. Basket count plus a foul of jersey number 0 for a 3-point play. Tabla tayo, 71. Basket is good. Change favor. Balik ang kalamangan sa Barangay Balong Bato. Argarin, may taka ng bola. Setting on the screen. Argarin. Stop and pump. Short. And a save. Save nga lang. Gregorio! What a nice finger roll for Gregorio. Time out. Barangay West Grame. Official score at 24-21 in favor of Barangay Balong Bato. Hindi natin nakagal ang defending champion. The time remaining 5 minutes and 39 seconds para sa ating first half. Game. 5 minutes and 39 seconds. Bola rito ng Barangay West Grame. Abraham. Fake. Whoa, what a nice fake. Nice shot for Abraham. That is Julius Abraham. Ayan na, number 0. Babawi, block from behind. And out of bounds. Green ball. Magsambol coming in. Bola rito ng Barangay Balong Bato. Kasabar for 3. Wala. Rebound. Wala pa rin. Makuha rito ng West ng Barangay Balong Bato. Kasabar for 3. 3-point para sa Barangay Balong Bato. 27-23. Abraham, running shot, basket is good. Papas dalawa pa ang lamang. Number 70, pasok ka sa bar, 4-3, no. There's a foul.
Foul just number 9. Mitchell, just number 19. Jordan Ball, first personal foul. Penalty. 1 yard bench, Barangay Balumbato.
Warning bench, Barangay Balumbato.
Proper bench decorum.
Proper bench decorum. Number 17 shooting for two. First shot is good. Second shot. Wala. 4-3. Wala. And a rebound. Abraham. Crossover. Abraham, top of the key for 3. No. Rebound. Mounted pass. Kasabar, de diskarte. Kasabar na bitawan. Out of bounds. Last touch. West Grame basketball. Time remaining 4 minutes and 3 seconds. West Grame basketball. Pumala bora, pumala. Abraham. Pass number 4. Number 4 spin. There's a foul. Number 10.
Foul just number 10. Outside the ball. First personal foul.
Substitution. Session on the free throw area for Barangay West Grame. That's Franco. First shot is good for Franco. Virgin Franco. Basket. 27-28. Baka sa isa na lamang ang inahabol ng Barangay West Grame. Gregorio. Sige sa corner, block. Out of bounds. Barangay West Grame basketball. Abraham blocked by Gregorio. Uy, out of bounds. Last time. Green ball. Timeout, Barangay Balumbato. Natin huddle ng Barangay Balumbato for this timeout. Shoutout tayo kay Marlon Reveldes. Happy birthday yung Barangay West Grame. Ayan. Happy birthday, idol. Sa lahat ng mga nag-birthday ngayong araw. Maligayang bati sa inyo. Shoutout kay Adino Aberendes for GSD. makakuha rito ng West Grame. Abraham. Setting on the play. Pass to Zuls. Damiao. Pow! Change favor. Balik ang kalamangan sa defending champion. Gregorio di diskarte. Pass to Magbitang. Magbitang. Big. Drive. Goal! At nakasagot ang Barangay Balong Bato. 30-28 at 29. Balik sa kanila ang kalamangan. Abraham. Cross-court pass to Santos. Back to Abraham. Abraham setting on the screen. Pass to and gets the foul. Shooting the line, jersey number 4, Franco.
Foul just number 18. Second personal foul.
On the free throw area, number 4, Franco.
Shooting for 2. And personal foul.
First shot is good. For Franco, tabla tayo sa 30. Second shot for Franco. Franco, basket. Change favor. Balik ang kalamangan sa defending champion. Gregorio di diskarte. Gregorio. Pass number 0, back to Gregorio. Fake. Fake. Tumira. In and out. Rebound by Zuls. And a steal by Casabar. Casabar, Hesi. Drive. Basket is good. For Casabar. Change favor. Balik sa Barangay Balong Bato ang kalamangan. 32-31. Abraham. Pass to Santos. Wide open shot. No. Rebound by Magbitang. Pass to Gregorio. Gregorio nagpapadali. Dumere derecho and one for Gregorio.
And just number 21.
Foul number 25. Abraham. That is second personal foul. Time out muna rito Barangay West Grame. 34-31. Shoutout muna tayo kay sabi ni Angel Barredo. Shoutout kay Raymond De Leon. Na happy birthday. Ayan, from Angel Barredo. Back to the ball game. 34-31. Both teams penalty situation on the free throw area. Number 21. Gregorio. Anton Luis Gregorio. First shot. The shot is good. 35-31. 4-point lead para sa Barangay Balong Bato. Franco. Naitawid. Pass to Jules. And there's a foul by Casabar.
Foul just number 6. Second personal foul.
Casabar, second personal foul, penalty.
Shooting for 2. By Felix.
Zules, or Zules, first shot miss. Second shot for Zules. Ayan, shoutout tayo kay Romdick Villanueva. Basket is good for Ace. Zules. Jules, 32-35, down by 3. Anton, didiskarte. Anton, Hesi, binigay sa corner, wide open, and no good, rebound. Magbitang fake. Pass to number 8, no, rebound. Makukuha ng West Grame. And a steal by number 8. Pass to Anton. Anton, didiskarte. Kaya na. Anton, tumira, no, rebound by Casabar. One leg shot, no, rebound again, Casabar! Basket is good! But there's a foul. Kakainitan na tayo.
And now, just another basis of the time, we're bringing them out. 32 pounds, Olero Levin. Warrior just number 5, Santos, for bringing them out.
That is good for Abraham.
We would like to acknowledge the presence of our Councilor District 1, Councilor Vic Reyes.
Yan, kapibigin po si Vic Reyes. Nandito na rin para manood sa ating finals. Michael, pass to Jules. Bravo, wow. Bad pass. Last 13 seconds. Anton, cross-court pass. Number 0. The guy. 4-3, no. At dito na po nagtatapos ang ating first half. Official score 37-33 in favor of Barangay Balungbato. Okay, magkakatuma tayo para sa ating live. Mababalik tayo for the second half. Yan, shoutout po sa ating mga official and
Okay, we would like to acknowledge the presence of our Councilor District 2, Councilor Reyes. Welcome up.
Alright, and that's a wrap. Magkita-kita po tayo mamaya para sa ating second half lamang ng Barangay Balungbato. 37-33.